Following the direction of the Prime Minister of Pakistan to ensure availability of essential commodities, especially flour and sugar, at the fixed prices in the province, the Punjab government has issued orders to field officers to fully activate Sahulat Bazaar at the Tehsil level and take indiscriminate action against the flour mills selling government quota wheat in market and sugar mills involved in hoarding. The instructions were issued at an emergent meeting presided over by Chief Secretary Punjab Jawad Rafiq Malik at the Civil Secretariat on Saturday. The Additional Chief Secretary Home, Administrative Secretaries of Departments, Commissioner Lahore, Additional IG Special Branch, and police officers attended the meeting. While all divisional commissioners, RPOs, deputy commissioners, and DPOs participated through video link, the meeting decided to set up a price control cell at the provincial level. Speaking at the meeting, the Chief Secretary said in order to control price hike and provide relief to the people as per the directions of the Prime Minister and Chief Minister Punjab, the administrative officers have to ensure implementation of fixed prices at all costs. No negligence would be tolerated in this regard, he warned. Jawad Rafiq Malik directed that Sahulat Bazaars at Tehsil level should be fully activated and availability of eatables including flour and sugar at discounted rates should be ensured there. He said growers should be encouraged to sell their produce directly at the farmers' platforms at Sahulat Bazaars without involvement of a middleman, and required facilities should be provided to them as it would help ensure availability of fruits and vegetables at concessionary rates. He asked the officers to keep a strict check on the prices, demand, and supply of food items in the Sahulat Bazaars as well as in the open market. The Chief Secretary further said despite giving a subsidy of billions of rupees for the availability of flour at fixed prices, the shortage of commodity was a question mark on the performance of administrative officers. Non-functional flour mills selling government wheat quota have been identified in the province and a crackdown against them would be started from today, Sunday. The Chief Secretary further said performance related to price control would be reviewed on a daily basis, and in case of poor performance, the Deputy Commissioner and Assistant Commissioner concerned would be held accountable. In case rate lists are not prominently displayed at shops, the relevant Assistant Commissioner would be sent packing, he maintained. Jawad Rafiq Malik directed that physical verification of stocks in sugar mills be carried out and sugar more than the declared stock be sold in the market. He said in the next month, sugar mills would be allowed to sell sugar stocks only for consumption of domestic consumers, and its sale for commercial use is disallowed. The Chief Secretary also assigned duties to the administrative secretaries of the departments regarding visiting districts and overseeing the price control measures.